Very simple question. Mean of 100 observations is given to be 50. The standard deviation of the 100 observations is given to be 4. We have to find the sum of all the observations and the sum of the squares of all the observations. Okay? Now, number of observations that is n is equal to 100. Now this is given to us. Okay? Mean of the 100 observations is given to be 50. Now we are knowing mean is what? Summation for xi. Here we are writing x upon n. Is it clear? So now, no. 50 is equal to summation for x upon 100. Therefore, sum of all the observations that is summation for x is equal to 50 into 100 is equal to 5000. Now this is the first answer. Now we have to find sum of the squares of the observations. Now sigma square is summation for x square upon n minus summation for x upon n whole square. Now this is the sum of the squares of the observation, and this is what? This is the sum of the all the observations. That is means basically this is what? Mean. Okay. Now given 4 square is equal to upon 100 minus 5000 upon 100, or you can directly write the mean. Okay. This is given. Standard deviation is 4, and we are using a formula for the variance here just to make it more easy for the calculation part. Now 16 is equal to summation for x square upon 100 minus 2500. No. Summation for x square is equal to, now we are having 16 plus 2500 times 100. Is it clear? So now this becomes 251,600. Sum of the squares of all observations is equal to 251,600. So this is the second answer.